we will start our new topic, that is salts. First, we will discuss what is the meaning of salts. Any substance which form ionic bond are termed as salts. Most of the salts are exist in the solid state at room temperature. For example, simple salt like NaCl. In this compound, Na is the cation and Cl is the anion, and the bonding between Na and Cl is ionic. Therefore, it is termed as salt. Next is KCl. Here is the K plus Cl negative, KBr, NaBr. These all substances are termed as salt. Now, how can you obtain salts? It's simply when acid react with base. Then the reaction happen, neutralization reaction. Now after neutralization reaction, we obtain two products. One is salt and other is solvent. For example, if we have HCl as acid and as a base sodium hydroxide, after reaction we will obtain NaCl plus H2O. Here is the H2O is solvent and NaCl turned as salt. So we can simply that salt are obtained by the reaction of acid and base, and the reaction between acid and base is always exothermic, or indirectly we can say that neutralization reaction is always exothermic, and exothermic reaction means when amount of heat is released. For example, we have taken a strong acid H2SO4 and a strong base, that is sodium hydroxide. Strong acid and strong base. After reaction, the product will be formed sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus H2O. In this reaction, sodium sulfate is a salt and H2O is a solvent. This reaction termed as neutralization reaction. This reaction performed by the elimination of heat. And if we have taken strong acid and strong base, then amount of the heat that is per mole released is a fixed, that is 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. For example, HCl 1 mole is react with 1 mole of NaOH. HCl is a strong acid, NaOH is a strong base. After reaction, NaCl plus H2O plus amount of heat liberated is 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. So here is the one value is constant, that is 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. But the necessary condition is that if acid and base both are strong. If we have taken any one is weak, that is we have taken strong acid HCl but weak base NH4OH. HCl is a strong acid and NH4 is a weak base. After reaction, it gives NH4Cl plus H2O plus heat. In this reaction, amount of heat is not 13.6 kilocalorie per mole, it is always less than 13.6 kilocalorie per mole, means here is the amount of heat is less than 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. Since in this reaction NH4OH is a weak base and weak base is a base which is not completely ionized. So in this reaction some amount of heat is used for the ionization of NH4OH. So here is the one point is clear that some heat involved in the ionization of the NH4OH. That's why heat is released less than 13.6 kilocalorie per mole. If we have taken both are weak, for example CH3COOH, it's a weak acid, react with NH4OH, it's a weak base. After reaction it gives CH3COONH4 plus H2O. In this reaction, acid and base both are weak, so more heat is involved for the ionization of acid and base. So if we have marked reaction first and reaction second and reaction third, first, second and third, the heat of utilization follow the following order. First is greater than second, is greater than third.